Hi students, welcome to another video on my channel. In my videos, I try to make the solutions of calculus very easy to understand for you. So let's start the chapter number 1, preliminaries, and exercise 1.2. Find slope of the line they determine if they have, and also find the common slope perpendicular to the line AB. In question number 9, point A and B is given. So we suppose the point P1 and extract the value of x1 and y1, and same as extract the value of x2 and y2. Then we put the formula of slope, which is m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, and by putting the values in the formula of slope we get the answer of slope. The formula of perpendicular slope is always the reciprocal of slope with negative sign. So the perpendicular slope will be m equals to minus 1 over 3, and we draw the graph according to the given points of A, which is minus 1 and 2, and B, which is minus 2 and 2. After plotting a graph, we have the equation for the line through the point P2, which is x1 and y1, and equals to minus 1 and 2 with the slope m equals to 3. So we put the equation of slope, which is y equals to y1 plus m into x minus x1, and by putting the values in the equation, we get the answer of y. The solution of question number 10 is same as the solution of question number 9. We get P1 and P2, and by putting the formula of slope we get the answer of slope. And then for perpendicular slope we get the formula of reciprocal of slope with the negative sign. We plot a graph and then put the equation of y equals to y1 plus m into x minus x1 and get the answer of y. In question number 11, we get the answer of m by putting the values of x1, x2 and y1, y2 in the equation. But here the perpendicular slope does not exist, so the graph is the simple horizontal line, and the equation through the line for the point with the slope 0 will be y equals to 3. We again get the answer of slope, which is m equals to minus 2, but there is no slope for these points, so we draw a simple vertical slope.